Hey crafty peeps, it's Tracy. Guess what? I have some more Black Friday purchases that just came in. And if you knew me, you would say, why are you spending money? Because I am a very frugal person. But I had a couple gift cards. They were kind of burning a hole in my pocket. So I gave myself permission to use them on some crafty things. As you notice, this is from Waffle Flower. So, they had some great freebies going on. So I got the small pumpkin die for free. I got the overlapping hugs additions stamp and die combo. The last couple times I was going to place an order, this was out of stock because I guess it's very popular, and I think I will get a lot of use out of this. This was another freebie, the little sentiments. I got the postage collage Christmas stencil. Love that. And then I got the collage blocks die. Now I have the one that cuts the like stamp border, but I didn't have this one and I've been really wanting it. So this is what I got from Waffle Flower. I also have a box from PinkFresh. Now this was the real big order, but like I said, I had mostly gift cards. So I could not resist the mega huge awesome blending brushes. I just got one set to try. They were really a great deal after the Black Friday coupon. It came out way cheaper than anything you would find on Amazon. I also got a set of 6, I believe these are the 1/2 inch brushes. This is the Tree of Tales die. I also got the Tree of Tales stencil set. I couldn't resist the coordinating stamp sentiments set. These are such fun sentiments here. And then I got the dies to go with it. And I'm also trying to dip my hand into hot foiling. So I got the press plates. I just got a letterpress, which you saw in one of my previous videos. This is blanket stitch, elongated ovals. And then I've got Steeped in Kindness, the stamp set, the coordinating dies, the stencils. I am a huge tea drinker, and I do not actually have any sets with teacups, mugs, nothing. And here's the press plate. In fact, I've got a mug of tea right here while I'm filming this in the middle of the afternoon, so I could not resist this adorable little set. I love that cute teapot. Lastly, this was the free gift, which was amazing. Double-sided Swiss dots, the hot foil plate, which you can also use. No, you can't use it for letterpress, but I could still emboss with this, so really excited about this. Great free gift. I am also trying the heat-resistant acetate, 1 pack, and then the silver glittered cardstock. I also wanted the champagne, but it was sold out before I placed my order. So I am looking forward to getting crafty with all these, especially these ovals. And since I'm still making Christmas cards, I am definitely going to be using the Tree of Tales and the Holiday Sentiments press plates. Very excited. So I hope you are having a great day and happy crafting.